All right, here we are, fresh back from Love's with a whole new stack. No, I'm just kidding. We didn't go anywhere. It's been 5 seconds since I hung up the phone. But we have been talking about it, going down there and getting some more. We need to see what they have. Some Loves only had Evolving Skies. Some Loves had, what was the other one? The Brilliant Stars. And others had a mixture of the two. So I am actually kind of curious on which ones our local Loves has, if any. Because one of the Loves I went to had none. I had to check them all. As soon as I saw one had some, I had to check every one.
Are we making this a series where we open truck stop packs?
I think we should. This could be the truck stop series.
Truck stop heroes.
Truck stop heroes. Should you buy your cards from a truck stop zero? Probably not, but you never know. We might get lucky, dude. I mean, they all come from the same place. Yeah. So how can they be any worse than anywhere else, honestly? I don't see any difference. I think we're just being biased because it's a truck stop. A baby. A swablu. A little. Oh, I've never seen that Pokemon before. A Snowleaf Badge. And a Gigalich.
Well, maybe we're not being biased.
I think we're being biased. I am, anyway.
That seemed like a truck stop pack. I'm going to be honest with you.
I'm being biased. I know truck stop. And I know the type of people that live there. Because I lived there for years. They're great and wonderful people. And they have lots of money to spend on Pokemon cards. And it only makes sense that they would sell Pokemon cards at a truck stop.
Truck stop heroes.
So what do you say? We finish up episode 3 and go pick up 10 more episodes worth of truck stop packs? And just continue the series, the truck stop series? Switching cups. I am jacking up the camera. All kinds. Tentacruel. A Wobble Buffet. A Hippie Hop. A Tentacle. A Love Bug. A Snowleaf Badge. And another Zorak.
So here's the deal I'll make you.
Okay, what's the deal?
After this video, we will go to Love's and I will get 8 packs.
And just see how you do in comparison?
Yeah.
That's not a bad idea.
Unless there's no packs, then I'll save some money.
Yeah, they might not have any packs. But they might not have Evolving Skies at all. They might only have... Well, if they only have the others, I will open mine too.
They'll have...
And we will
have
a comparison.
Base set.
Now that would really be something, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah. Pull a $10,000 Charizard.
Talk about shock and amazed. Swoobat, Digging Gloves, Stormy Mountains. See, you got really get close. It hurts my back getting that close. I don't know why. A Dweeble. A Rufflet. Another Wobble Buffet.
You're just not built like a YouTuber yet.
I'm just not.
Flareon.
Look at that.
That's
pretty
one of the
boy.
good ones.
Look at that pretty boy. Ooh. Let's get a nice little good look at him here. Oh.
Let me see you.
That's a good looking card, boy. Hold on, let me put him in a sleeve. After I drop him on the floor.
Yeah, now you.
Oh, now we did it. Oh my god. I'm such a failure. I am such a loser. I was doing so well, and then I just did so bad so fast. Okay, have a gander. You'll see what that bad boy's worth.
You got the $5 one, not the $25 one.
How do you know?
I just looked.
Dang.
I
don't like not being able to cuss. It's starting to bother me.
Our monetization
depends on it.
Yeah. Not that we're monetized anyway.
Well, don't worry, guys. We're trying to be on our best behavior until we get there. And then once we're there...
You can do whatever you want, right?
Yeah, well, not entirely, but you get a little bit more leeway. So we're trying to be good boys for a while. That's why it's kind of awkward and weird, and we're acting strange, because it's hard to act like a... I don't know.
Like
I'm just going to hold my tongue. Yeah. I'm definitely not any of those things. Hypno, Pumpkaboo, yeah, drowsy, scraggy, freebase, and wishy-washy. We're freebasing today, boys. With some wishy-washies. Tell me that glue is... Man, I am pretty skeptical of these Loves Truck Stop Pokemon packs.
Truck Stop Heroes!
I am skeptic. I want to believe. I do. I want to be a believer. But they're making it really, really hard. Toy catcher. Last couple times we got toy catchers. We got decent cards.
That's right.
So here's the hoping. There's a Pikachu, a Lillipup, a nice cute boy in a full face guard. It's a golden rare. Full face guard. If I remember right, this one is actually a pretty decent card.
Which one is it? Almost like a diving helmet or something. Full face guard.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, it is interesting because if I remember right, this one's actually...
It's not one of the crazy ones.
Yeah, it's not crazy, but I think it's like somewhere like a 5-10 area. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is like 5 to 10.
$7.
7? Yeah, makes sense. Sounds about right. Oh, I got a shiny boy over here. I must have forgot to put over there. That must have happened when I dropped my Flareon. I got a little flustered. I was just so happy to see something worth looking at.
They say when every boy comes of age, he has to drop his Flareon.
And I dropped it. I dropped it good and hard. Okay. Flip baby.
One of these days we got to go live from the truck stop.
Live from the truck stop. Yeah, I like that. We can just buy them, take them to the register. We'll go over to the Hardee's, and then we'll just get us a burger and crack some packs live. Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot, actually.
Truck Stop Heroes Live.
Man, straight from the Rusty Bucket Saloon.
That's right.
Side ducks, Dino, and what are you? Ampharos?
Yeah.
It's like, never mind. I'm going to keep that joke to myself. There's sensitive people in the world. And I'm not one of them. So, I got to... Never mind. Just keep shutting up. Oh yeah. Oh Oh yeah, get you some. I thought he had a piece of celery on his head. Shelgon, full face guard. That's the uncool full face guard. A Pikachu. A Pumpkaboo. I like that name. A Rufflet. A Litoad. And an Appleton. Oh, Appleton. Why is it always an Appleton?
Truck stop packs.
Here we are. Last pack of episode 3 of Truck Stop Card Pack Unlimited. Whatever this series is called. I forgot.
Truck Stop Heroes.
Truck Stop Heroes. Only zeros buy their card packs from Love's Truck Stop.
We're going to see. It might just be a you thing.
You know what? Don't test me. I will pull out all the rest that I bought. I think I've only got 6 more of this particular set from the truck stop. So there's nothing stopping me from just going ahead and opening those just to finish this whole shenanigan show.
Just rip them.
So get some resolve in this. Tentacruel. Flabébé. A Dweeble. Oh, there's something back there. Did you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Shall we cheat? Yep, I've already got one of those. That's cool though. That's cool though.
Good old Duraludon.
Good old Duraludon. Yeah. Good old Duraludon. Good old. Okay.
I got 6 more truck stop packs in my
I got
hand.
6 more truck stop packs. Are all of these still in the cardboard? You know what? Let's just finish them off. Let's just do it.
Truck Stop Heroes.
Truck Stop Heroes. Let's put the kibosh on this and be done with it until we buy more. Oh my God.
Possibly today.
Possibly as soon as we get done doing this. You know what? Let's just keep this series rolling. Let's just make this an all-day, everyday thing. This is just what we're going to do from now on. Buy truck stop card packs and open them non-stop all day, every day. Honestly, I like the sound of it because it would keep us in work. Give us something to do. Oh, there's a copycat. A rapid strike scroll of the flying dragon. Weird. Yep, a Tentacool, a Hippie Pop, a Rufflet, and another. I can't say another because we haven't got one of those before. Okay, we're getting a little mess over here. I'm gonna have to straighten some stuff up.
It's too many packs.
There's no such thing as too many packs.
And there is when they're truck
There's
stop
only
packs.
a such thing as not enough room. No such thing as too many packs. As a matter of fact, these packs, we need to put them where we can see them, so there's no funny business going on.
Yeah, so the truck stop doesn't come back and exchange them for good packs.
We don't want them to think that there's a Love's truck stop man just outside of view.
Yep.
Making sure we draw this Pikachu.
Just out of frame, we have the CEO of Love's Truck Stops.
Yeah, and we're sitting here bashing everything he stands for, and he's going haywire, not being able to do anything about it.
He just switched us from
putting on his rubber gloves and just waiting for the video to end. That's why we're extending this video, because as soon as this video's over with, we're done, man. We're getting taken out behind the shed. Look, a shiny scroll now. And another
Truck stop pack.
Truck stop pack. Yay, we love our truck stop packs. Truck stop packs. We love our truck stop packs. Oh, we love our truck stop packs. We love our fish from our truck stop packs. I'm gonna cheat. Ooh.
That's bad.
Ooh, that's bad. You're not supposed to do that.
And it was a bad omen.
And watch, something good's gonna happen.
It's been done before. You get a bad code card and still get
And
a
then
good
something's
card.
still good.
Yeah, it doesn't happen very often, but it does
SQ,
happen.
full face card. How do you say that? Carvajana? Caravana. I need to go back to phonics for sure. Yeah, never squatting there. Maybe I shouldn't be looking at those cards.
Oh, maybe you should. Maybe.
No, I shouldn't, because I want to be surprised.
We'll just look at one more.
Okay, one more.
Yeah, we'll look at it on this one.
And then we'll look at
Get
the
it out of
one
your
after
system.
that too. And then we'll do
Okay, just these last three.
just the next 3 booster cases.
Okay, now you're going crazy. Now you're going wild with power.
Are we gonna do it?
Yep. Bad sign.
Okay, bad sign. My stomach was growling at the same time. That might be a bad sign.
That's also a bad sign.
It means I'm hungry. Dark energy, that's a good sign.
Are you hungry for some Hardee's? I know where we can find them.
I know where there's a Hardee's. I know what else is a Hardee's.
Truck stop
there's
Pokemon!
Truck stop Pokemon cards. Yeah, we're not gonna look at those cards anymore.
No, we got 2 more. We gotta keep looking.
I don't like it.
We did all the other ones regular style. Now we're doing
You know
these
what?
like
You're right.
regular.
Let's just might as well go against the rules. We gotta be different than everybody else somehow.
Yeah.
Break the algorithm.
Just for these packs, though. We're not crazy. We're not literally insane.
That's a shiny cup. We're gonna break all the rules. All the rules,
Show 'em the
baby.
code card?
Nope.
Oh, you didn't even do that.
Nope. We're breaking all the rules, baby.
Okay, man.
All the rules, baby.
We're really
All
freaking
the
it up
rules.
now.
Oh yeah, spirit mask. Yep. Yep. We got squad boys.
Nice.
All right, one more.
Wow, this has been embarrassing.
Yeah.
These last 6 packs.
It's
Holy
true.
Crap.
It's true.
These
I'm
have
glad
been
we just threw these in at the end and then
unadulterated.
didn't make a whole nother
Yeah.
video for them. That would have been a complete disaster.
Now these have been truck stop packs. I mean, I was joking about it before, but these have been some truck stop.
All right, let's do this the proper way. Maybe things will go better if we just do this properly.
Going back to regular form.
Yeah, we're just going back to your typical format. And then we're going to get something really good. And if not, I'm just going to chuck all of these cards across the fucking room. Whoops. We're going to have to bleep that. Spirit Mask. Free Bass. Hippo. Nicket. And a whole lot of nothing.
Truck stop Heroes.
Truck Stop Heroes. Do not buy your card packs from Love's Truck
we haven't
Stops.
decided that yet, right?
Unless you just happen to be at Love's Truck Stop and you want some Pokemon cards.
All right, get in the
because
car.
you
We're
might
going to the Loves.
get a golden full face card.
Get in the car. The car's running.
Here we go. We're gonna go get some Hardies and some more cards,
Yep.
and we'll be back for Truck Stop Heroes episode 4.
Yep.
Peace.